I'm on my way to meet my coworker. We are going to Vietnamese restaurant. Yeah, he's gonna pick me up. And this is my first time I hang out with my coworker. But the sad thing is he's moving, so he's quitting the job. Maybe this is gonna be the first and last hangout. Unless I visit him. He's gonna move to very far, like 6 hours drive away. Today the weather is so nice. Let me show you. Look at this. The sky is so clean. He just texted me. He got pulled over for like brake light or something. Hopefully it's nothing serious. I'm gonna wait for him here. Oh, actually, I usually just stay at home. Only where I go outside is work and grocery shopping. I just walked outside for 5 minutes. It feels actually good. Oh, now I understand why people suggest me to walk outside. You got pulled over? Oh my goodness. Hello, hello. We're here. Hey. He brings him everywhere. It's so cute. Oh, Bumbo Hui. Hey, someone draw this. My dog.
Chobar?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Can we get 2 number 1? You like spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water, please.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh.
Like a flour with like a little bit of like dried shrimp and stuff on top. Scrape it off from like the little
Oh. It's like a rice paper. Pretty good. I was hungry.
I'm also sorry.
It's good. Come on.
Other pork. And I think this is like pork knuckle.
Oh,
not too sure.
pork blood. Do you want some?
I'll take the pork blood. I love pork.
Oh, I don't like it. Oh, we we have similar soup in Korea.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we use beef blood.
Beef blood? Oh. Smells like the
I like it. Now I know what to order if I go to Vietnamese restaurant.
Yeah? Easy.
Before I always order like combination pho
Yeah.
only, because I don't know anything else. I feel like it's so good for hangover.
Yeah, no. I've been here many times with my friend.
Oh my god, he looks actually much better in the camera.
No, he looks like better at camera.
Oh,
He looks like cleaner, right?
oh, oh. He looks like a newborn baby.
I know.
Yeah, we are going to have a dessert. Can we have one number 3 and one number 6, please? Thank you.
Yeah. They'll have like different versions.
It's not really my thing.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Tasting it, I was like, it's whatever for me too.
I mean, it looks so good. So I was like, oh.
No, yeah.
I don't eat jelly. I don't like jelly, but it's full of jelly.
Oh shit. Wait, what the heck?
No, I picked it. When I saw the picture, I thought it's all fruits.
Fruits?
Oh. But it's good experience. I'm gonna avoid it.
Yeah, you see, like, how would you know? You like,
Yeah. This is experience.
Oh, do you like durian?
No, I mean, I've never tried it. Cause
Really?
I smelled
The
it.
smell? No.
I mean, people say it's good.
I think it's
But
pretty good.
I just got home. It was a good time. Sometimes hang out with friends is really good, I guess. I missed this part in my life for long. I'm gonna try to make more time for like hang out sometimes. Okay, then see you. Yeah, today I'm on my way to meet my coworker. Yeah, we are going to Vietnamese restaurant. Yeah, he's gonna pick me up. And this is my first time hang out. This is and this is my first time I hang out with my coworker. And the sad thing is he's moving, so he's quitting the job. Maybe maybe this is gonna be the first and last hangout. I don't know, unless I visit him. Like he's gonna move to very far, like 6 hours drive away. Yeah. Yeah, today the weather is so nice. Let me show you. Look at this. The sky is so clean, so clear. Oh.